My name is Vidhi Chandel.
My name is Ishika Sadaria.
My name is Nidhi.
My name is Sonakshi.
My name is Lakshi.
We are here to present our eco-friendly project, the Ash Paddy Straw and the Sand Ashitizer Filter. This model is based on the idea of using natural and biodegradable waste material to produce a natural sanitizer called Ashitizer. Our main aim is to reduce the water pollution and to use natural waste material like ash and paddy straw in a useful way. This model also supports the Swachh Bharat and Viksit Bharat mission by promoting cleanliness and sustainability.
To make this project, we use very simple and eco-friendly materials such as wooden frame, ash, paddy straw, sand, and a small outlet pipe or a glass or plastic bottle or a small outlet pipe. The setup is very easy to make. We arrange the layers inside the wooden frame and attach a small outlet pipe at the bottom to collect the liquid water for sanitizing purposes that we get at the end for sanitizing purposes and make it zero cost and zero waste material.
The working of our model is very simple and natural. We use a wooden frame which contains filter material. The first layer is of ash which absorb impurities and remove bacteria. And the middle layer is of paddy straw which act as sieve and hold large particles. The bottom layer is of sand which holds small fine particles and thus make the water clear. When we pour wastewater over these three layers, the water gets purified, and this purified water is known as acetizer.
Conclusion and benefits. This project is low cost, natural and pollution free. It shows that even waste materials can be reused to create something valuable. Our filter does not need electricity. It's fully biodegradable and both water and environment.
In conclusion, our Ashitizer filter is a small but meaningful steps towards a developed and clean India's Swachh Bharat and Viksit Bharat.
We should use this Ashitizer in schools because it is very affordable. Thank you.